Good day everyone! Ituturo ko sa inyo paano mag-add and subtract of fractions with same or like denominators. For example, number 1, meron tayong 1/3 plus 1/3. Remember, 1 is the numerator, 3 is the denominator. Kapag meron tayong same denominator, just copy or keep yung ating denominator. So, just copy 3. Then add the numerators. Kaya 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So, lalagay natin 2. That's it. This is now our answer. Our answer is 2/3. Diba? Madali lang. Now, how about number 2? 5/6 minus 1/6. So, kung mapapansin nyo, we have the same or like denominators. So, again, copy lang yung ating denominator na 6. Since our operation is subtraction minus, ma-minus natin yung ating numerator. So, 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4. And remember, yung lowest term ng ating 4/6 is, anong number na pwedeng i-divide sa 4 at pwede ring i-divide sa 6 maliban sa 1? That is 2. So, i-divide natin sa 2. Divide din natin sa 2. So, 4 divided by 2, that is 2. 6 divided by 2, that is 3. So, this is now our answer. The lowest term of 4/6 is 2/3. That's it. That is our answer. Now, let's have 5/8 minus 3/8. So, as you can see, meron tayong same or like denominators. So, copy yung ating common denominator. And subtract the numerators since subtraction ng ating operation. 5 minus 3, that is 2. And anong number pwedeng i-divide sa 2 and 8 maliban sa 1? So that is 2. So 2 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2. So 2 divided by 2, that is 1 over 8 divided by 2, that is 4. So ibig sabihin, our answer is 1/4. Okay? Then let's have 8/9 plus 2/9. So again, we have the same denominator. Just copy the denominator. Then add the numerators. 8 plus 2, that is 10. Okay? Now, we can write this one in mixed number. So, paano makukuha yung mixed number? Divide natin. 10 divided by 9. So, this is 1. 1 times 9, that is 9. Then, subtract this one, that is 1. Ibig sabihin, si 10/9 is equal to or equivalent to, okay, copy 1. Then, ating remainder na 1, lagay natin. Then, this is our denominator. So, our answer is 1 and 1/9. That's it. So that is our final answer. Okay? Thank you for watching.